Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Good Molecules 10% azelaic acid treatment. This product retails for $12. I cannot wait to try an azelaic acid from Good Molecules. This was launched alongside their cleanser and I cannot wait to try both of these products. They're utilizing the brightening claims of azelaic acid, which I am so glad. I've seen dermatologists and experts talking about how good azelaic acid is for brightening the face. I'm not personally a skincare expert, but I do listen to the advice of my dermatologist and also follow other dermatologists as well. And this is looking not only to have great ingredients in it for brightening, but also soothing the face. I cannot wait to see what they have done with this formulation. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They utilize 10% azelaic acid, blended with cica exosomes and concentrated passion fruit oil. You can click the link in the description, go to their website to learn more about this product. I've also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Cannot wait to see how those translate in this formula. The big things we're going to be looking for include what finish does it leave, what results do I notice with it, and also what texture is it? Is it drying or does it cause any sensitivity or purging? As for anything else, we continue to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. I am so excited because this review is happening at the tail end of a product causing me to break out, which I feel like is the perfect time to try out a new azelaic acid. Really impressed by the soothing ingredients along with the pure 10% concentration. This is a really thick, creamy formula, kind of an emulsion. Well, I would say it's richer than an emulsion. It is very much like a moisturizer, which I love. It feels super nice going on the skin. Blends in practically immediately, but has a really soothing and moisturizing feel to it. I cannot wait to try this. Good Molecules, I've been waiting for an azelaic acid from for a long time. I'm just gonna use a tiny amount and apply it to all over my face. It is so lightweight for it being a nice creamy product like this. No sensitivity, no irritation so far. Skin is just reactive, so that's why it is turning red. Anytime I apply an active to my face, my skin does turn red, but that doesn't mean I'm experiencing sensitivity. Blends in super nice, and for it being such a rich moisturizer feel, it doesn't leave any heavy finish to the skin. It just kind of absorbs instantly. I'm excited to see what I continue to notice with this, if it causes any dryness, causes any sensitivity, because this is a more simple azelaic acid formula. However, I'm noticing they included Bisabolol and some more soothing ingredients that have worked well to calm my irritated skin. So I'm hoping that will counteract some dryness that can come from azelaic acid. I am coming from using a 10% concentration, so I'm also going to see if the results carry over with this formula. It's looking really unique and it's also very budget friendly compared to some other azelaic acids on the market. So can't wait to see what I continue to notice, see some results with this hopefully. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I'm glad Good Molecules took this approach with an azelaic acid serum because first of all, the simplicity of this product is one of its best qualities. Second, the price point is amazing. And third, the soothing benefits I saw with this product on top of the azelaic acid concentration, they were really onto something when making this formula. This has a light moisturizer-like texture, but it blends in immediately where I feel like any skin type could use it. A little bit richer than the typical emulsion that you see with a lot of other 10% azelaic acids on the US market, but still has a comforting ability. I feel like the moisturizing benefit counteracts any dryness that you could potentially get with a style of product like this. And I personally loved it as a maintenance azelaic acid for me. Typically, I go for a little bit higher of a concentration of azelaic acid solely because I have built up to it. Luckily, knock on wood, my skin has been doing good recently, so I haven't had to go to as high of a formulation, and this was maintaining the 10% concentration I was seeing with the previous azelaic acid I was using. I do feel like this is a very moisturizing, really gentle option with the cica exosomes in here and with the moisturizing complex. I would recommend it as a beginner azelaic acid. Obviously, if you have questions or for professional advice, go to a dermatologist and listen to skincare experts. I'm going off of this based off what I wish I had when I was getting into azelaic acid. This is the type of formulation that I wish I could have started my journey with. At least started my journey with more watery formulas that were more drying. This, I feel like, has a complex that would be designed to really soothe the skin, target redness, target acne, and also, I mean, azelaic acid covers a lot of skin concerns. It has a really moisturizing ability to it. I noticed that when I'm struggling with dark spots or discoloration, when I moisturize my skin, it does help the appearance of that slightly. I don't think that's going to necessarily be a benefit of this product, but I will say this is one of the most moisturizing azelaic acids that I've tried. And that's not to say that it's heavy on the skin, it's just more of it counteracts any dryness that could come from this ingredient. I do love this formula. I didn't experience any purging just because I'm used to using a little bit more, but that is normal with azelaic acid. Honestly, if I were to restart my azelaic acid journey, I would want to start with a product like this. I would compare it to, say, the peach slices, to the Inky List. There are so many great options on the market, but I will say the cica exosomes, along with the price point of this product, really makes it stand out. Has a really controlled dispense, so you're able to not overuse this product and control how much you get out of it. And I also did, after I figured out it worked for me, use it with their azelaic acid cleanser, and even though that utilizes a derivative of azelaic acid, it is something that I feel like could enhance the benefits of this product. Like I said, even though it's a derivative, I did like it as its mimicking abilities for azelaic acid, and I feel like this line together was genius because you can use these products together to get that added benefit. I would 100% recommend trying this, especially if you're looking for a more gentle azelaic acid or looking to get started on your azelaic acid journey. I feel like that could be a great option for that. I personally had a wonderful experience with it. I saw nothing negative with it, and I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next video.